Hello MMM, good morning. My name is Sianel B. Abelia. I am one of the active participants of MMM community from Western Samar. So I'm here again to express that I'm very thankful to be a member of this community where everyone is ready to help one another. Last December 1, I provided help in the amount of 2,000. Then it was followed by another provide help last December 1 also in the amount of 1,000. Then, followed by another provide help in the amount of 3,000 last December 4. Then, last December 7, I got help in the amount of 6,500. And there was only one participant assigned to my GH. So I got help in the amount of 6,500 last December 7. And the participant assigned was Joy Valde in the same amount, 6,500. Thank you very much, Joy Valde, to all the participants of MMM community, and most especially thank you very much to Sir Jim Avrodi for bringing up this system. Thank you.